हे लर्नर्स, वेलकम बैक। आज के एपिसोड में हम कुछ पावरफुल वर्ड्स सीखने वाले हैं जो आपके इंग्लिश को और भी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करेगी। क्या आप कभी किसी मुश्किल सिचुएशन में माहिर हुए हो या अपनी स्किल्स को होन करना चाहते हो? तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के आज के शब्द सीखना शुरू करते हैं। और आज के हमारे 5 वर्ड्स है। नंबर 1, मायर। सेकंड, confine. Third, ingrain. Fourth, horn. And the last one, amplify. So let's start with word meanings and explanation. Number 1, mire means to be stuck in a difficult or messy situation. मुश्किल या जटिल स्थिति में फंस जाना. Examples: the company was mired in financial difficulties. She got mired in an argument with her boss. Second, confine means to keep within limits or restrict movements. किसी को सीमित या बंद कर देना. Examples: the sick patients were confined to their rooms. His creativity should not be confined by strict rules. Third, ingrain means to firmly establish a habit, idea or belief. किसी विचार या आदत को गहराई से बिठाना. Examples: good manners should be ingrained in children from an early age. Second example: his values were deeply ingrained in him by his parents. Fourth, hone means to improve a skill through practice. किसी कौशल को अभ्यास से और बेहतर बनाना. Examples: she honed her writing skills by practicing daily. Second example: the athlete spent years honing his technique. Fifth, amplify means to increase or enhance the intensity of something. किसी चीज को बढ़ाना या विस्तार देना. Examples: the speaker used a microphone to amplify his voice. Second example: social media can amplify both positive and negative messages. Now, it's time for English conversation using today's words. Rahul: I feel like I'm mired in my problems and can't move forward. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपनी परेशानियों में फंस गया हूँ और आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. Neha: don't worry. Sometimes we need to confine our thoughts to positive things and ignore negativity. चिंता मत करो, कभी कभी हमें अपनी सोच को सिर्फ सकारात्मक चीज़ों तक सीमित रखना चाहिए और नकारात्मकता को नज़रअंदाज करना चाहिए. राहुल: You are right. I also need to hone my problem solving skills instead of overthinking. तुम सही कह रही हो. मुझे ज़्यादा सोचने की बजाय अपनी समस्या सुलझाने की क्षमता को और ज़्यादा निखारने की ज़रूरत है. Neha: exactly. Good habits should be ingrained in us so that we can handle challenges better. बिल्कुल, अच्छे आदतों को हमें अंदर तक बैठा लेना चाहिए ताकि हम चुनौतियों को अच्छे से संभाल सकें. Rahul: and maybe I should also amplify my efforts towards self-improvement. और शायद मुझे अपने आत्म विकास के प्रयासों को और बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है. Neha: that's the spirit. Now it's time for a short story using today's words. Arav was a young musician who dreamed of becoming famous, but he was mired in self-doubt. He always thought his music wasn't good enough. His fear confined him to playing alone in his room, never sharing his talent with the world. One day his mentor told him, if you want to succeed, you must hone your skills. every day and never stop learning. Arav took this advice seriously. He practiced daily and ingrained discipline into his routine. Slowly, his confidence grew. Finally, he decided to perform at a local event. His voice amplified through the speakers, and the audience was amazed. That day, Arav realized that self doubt was just an illusion. He only needed to believe in himself. तो दोस्तों, आज के वर्ड्स कैसे लगे? ये वर्ड्स सिर्फ वोकैबुलरी बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को भी इम्प्रूव करेगी। इनका प्रैक्टिस डेली करो और कमेंट में बताओ कि आपको इनमें से कौन सा वर्ड सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा और आपने उसे यूज़ किया। अगले एपिसोड में मिलते हैं नए शब्दों के साथ। तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग एंड स्टे मोटिवेटेड। बाय बाय।